Hello, I'm Dr. Sirisha and a warm welcome to you back to my channel. In this video, we shall discuss yet another leadership style, which is servant leadership style. Servant leadership. Do not mistake it, by going by the name servant leadership. Okay, this is a very important and a very promising, and we can say much like leadership style, servant leadership. Leaders who believe in this particular kind of leadership style, they see themselves as serving the people or managing the people in a way which makes them more authoritative, like more authentic, not authoritative, more authentic. Okay, they do not believe in completely dictating things to people. Rather, they believe in providing them with everything that they need, with the conditions, with a better working conditions and better inputs, and serving the followers. Okay, that is the approach of servant leadership style. Okay, servant leaders, their motto rather is to manage other people the way you would like to be managed. If you were an employee, if you were under a leader, how would you like to be managed? Would you like it when your manager or when your leader shows authority over you? Or would you like it when your manager or leader leaves everything to you and does nothing? Or would you like to be managed in such a way where the leader believes in you, where the leader guides you, provides you with everything that you need to perform, and supports you? Definitely, I think the third option is that is how we would love to be managed. And that is exactly what servant leaders will follow. That is the style of leadership. Trusting the employees, giving them with everything that they need to perform the job, and guiding them from behind. Okay, so this is the kind of leadership style, the servant leadership style, where the leader ensures that everybody knows their job. Everyone knows what they have to perform. That means there is a proper guidance here. Servant leader, he guides the employees properly, tells them what they are supposed to do, what they are expected to do. Okay, and also ensures that they have all the tools, supplies and resources. Rather, the servant leader makes sure that employees are very well aware of what they are expected to do, and also the servant leader makes sure that they receive all kinds of inputs, all kinds of resources, okay, to perform their task well. Okay, it is not just the guidance part, but servant leaders also make sure that they receive all kinds of tools or resources or guidance, and whatever be the inputs that the employees need to perform that job. Okay, and these leaders definitely are great listeners. Great listeners. Servant leaders, they listen to the employees, they listen to their requirements, they understand their employees in and out. They know their advantages, they know their strengths, they know their disadvantages, and they know their weaknesses. They know how to support, where to support. Okay, so that is the meaning of being great listeners. When you listen to the other person, you know that person. You will understand that person from inside, from within. And that is what servant leaders will do. Okay, and obviously there are many advantages, many advantages of this particular servant style leadership. Okay, like they promote ownership and responsibility. This kind of leaders, they promote that orientation of being an owner among the employees, being a partner among the employees. They do not make the employees feel down. Instead, they make them feel like owners. And when the employees start getting that feeling of being an owner, they will own the responsibility. They will perform the job as if it is their own. Okay, so that is the thing. And that will encourage morale and confidence among the employees. When they feel valued, when the team members feel valued because of servant leadership style of their manager, when they feel trusted, that boosts up the morale and confidence among the employees. Okay, and they considers and prioritizes the employee's opinion. Servant leaders, they definitely consider the employee's point of view, and they also try to include their point of view in the decision making process. They don't take one-sided decisions. They discuss with the employees, not just discussing, but even the servant leaders, they try to give a weightage to the employee's point of view in the final decisions. Okay, but there will definitely be certain disadvantages in this style of leadership also, which the servant leaders, they have to balance. Okay, they have to overcome. Like this kind of leadership, sometimes servant leadership sometimes may be perceived as incompetent. Okay, the followers or the employees, they may see the leader as incompetent. Okay, because here lots of weightage, lots of importance will be given to employees' point of view. So some may perceive that as, incompetence on the part of the leader. Some believe that leaders are supposed to make all the decisions, and employees or the followers, they are just, they have to be like doing whatever the leader is saying. So such kind of a mindset from the employees may lead to this kind of false thinking that these servant leaders are incompetent. Okay, this may also create some confusion, because here the leader is not just not dictating terms. He is asking for opinion. So that may lead to certain kind of confusion and some delayed decision making in the process. Okay, that is also one of the things that the leaders have to take care of. I mean, servant leaders have to take care of. And leader may also lose authority. If autonomy is given, like there will be a fine line between using something properly and misusing it. Even it is autonomy or freedom or a say in the decision making, whatever be it, there always will be a fine line. Okay, that when that line is crossed, everything becomes negative. Okay, so here also servant leaders also, in spite of all these advantages, they also should not lose their authority. They should not allow their employees to think that they are incompetent and they cannot make decisions on their own. Okay, so that fine line should be very carefully guarded. Okay, employees should not think that they are incompetent and that is the reason why they're asking them. Okay, they should very clearly understand that servant leaders are very well competent and they are asking for the employee's opinion only to make them feel valued, not because leaders are incompetent. Okay, so that is one of the things. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel.